These Greek Yogurt Popsicles are something we make pretty regularly, so I thought I'd share. I happen to have had fresh pineapple, but if you have canned pineapple, that also works just as well. You'll also need shredded coconut, and I use the sweetened kind, but I would say just use what you have on hand. You'll also need a mandarin orange, and this was just one of those seedless cuties. You'll also need coconut extract, which I would say is optional, but it does add just a hint of extra flavor. And of course you'll need Greek yogurt. I've tried making these with regular yogurt, but I found that the water content in regular non-Greek yogurt makes them freeze too hard and not very tasty. I also use a spatula to fold in the strawberries, or any other berry you might use just to keep them from bruising. And all you'll need is strawberries and graham crackers for the strawberry cheesecake flavor. Lastly, you'll need the popsicle molds, and they've gotten a lot better than they used to be. And I think I got these for probably 88 cents at Walmart. And I've used them for a few years now, so they do hold up. And they make a few different shapes, but I prefer the flat ones because it makes me feel like I'm eating a strawberry shortcake. For the strawberry cheesecake popsicles, you're just going to get rid of the green tops of the strawberries, and then dice them up. The amount of yogurt you need varies based on how many ingredients you add to the mix. I've even gotten away with using one of those 5.3 ounce containers, but I will say the more yogurt you use, the creamier they'll be. For this strawberry cheesecake flavor, make sure you don't break up the graham crackers too small, otherwise you don't have anything to bite into. And you'll see I actually should have added more yogurt to this mix. Tap it down to release air bubbles, and then make a mess adding more yogurt. Fortunately, these are actually sealed well enough that I can just rinse them off. For the second flavor, you just want to dice up your fruit, the pineapple, and also the mandarin orange. But for whatever reason, I don't have footage of that. So just make sure you dice up everything and then add the fruit in with your shredded coconut and your coconut extract. And then make sure you evenly distribute all of your ingredients. Next, add the yogurt mixture to the popsicle molds. And again, tap to remove any air pockets. I've made these in the morning before, hoping that they would be ready for dessert after dinner, but there's nothing worse than having a popsicle break on you. So I would definitely say give them 6 to 8 hours to freeze. Overnight is probably best. There's also nothing so crazy in them that you couldn't actually eat them for breakfast. I hope you give them a try.